to see you today because we're going to get to go see the chickens up close and personal. We're going to go to their home. We don't have any roosters here. We only want to have the girl chickens, the hens here. And why do you think we only want to have hens? I think I heard somebody say it. Eggs?
They laid eggs.
And we have very good eggs here. Our chickens lay very good eggs. And our chickens lay very good eggs because they're very happy chickens. You're going to start coming back to the farm. And you are going to be the farmers. You are going to be the ones to help us collect those great eggs and take care of our hens.
Ducklings.
Slow, quiet, gentle. Here we go. Inside. Keep walking. Just walk right through.
They don't know how to use the bathrooms.
They're not grown up.
I guess not. That's going to be your job. You're going to teach them how. You're going to potty train them.
Yeah, they better.
That's okay. Oh,
This back.
do you? Okay.
Okay, so we're going to be chicken yard detectives. Okay, so we put your chicken yard detective hat on. Is it on? So, how do you think our chickens out here clean themselves? Jordan.
In the dirt.
They clean themselves in the dirt. Isn't that silly? They like to take dust baths.
They're not potty trained.
Well, who can show me where they think they can find a dust bath? Where's the dust bath at? One's taking a dust bath right now. Look. See how it's pecking at the dirt? Slow, quiet. But where do you think we should put the chickens at night? Back in the hen house. If we didn't put them in the hen house, what do you think might happen to them? Eat them up.
A wolf?
Maybe a wolf. What else might eat them up?
Coyote!
Maybe a coyote might eat them up. What else, David?
I know.
Yes?
Maybe a werewolf.
Maybe a werewolf. I don't think we have any of those around here, but that might be something. What about, does anybody know what a weasel is?
Yeah.
Did you know that weasels eat chickens? They like to eat chickens. What about a fox? Do you think a fox might like a chicken?
Yeah.
So we need to make sure our chickens go into the hen house. How do we make sure that nothing gets in those holes at night?
What?
Right, there's a door. There's a sliding door that we have to close those holes so that the chickens can't come out. And what do we not want to get in there? What do we not want to get into the chicken house?
The chicken.
No, we want the chickens to be in the house.
It looks dirty. I know another rule, no picking up sticks and poking them.
That's an excellent rule. We don't want to poke the chickens.
He might pick my flower.
You're very correct.
What do chickens need to live? To be happy and healthy. So think about it in your head, and we're going to answer when we get back to the children's garden.
We're gonna answer on the way back. Come on, Grayson.
I think you're all ready to be farmers. Because remember, farmers need to take good care of the animals that they have on their farm. And I think you guys are ready to do that.
What do you say to Farmer Erica?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming.
I'm in Miss Field's class, and today we went to the chicken farm, and I saw chickens. I just saw the chicks where they go to sleep. They're on top of the benches. My favorite thing was mostly all of it, and petting the chicken. We saw not eggs. Then they just leave golden eggs when they just sit down and rest. Then they just come out. I feed the chickens, and I visit the chicken coop, and I see all the chickens. It smelled like soap. When I went in the chicken coop, it smelled like poo. Cock-a-doodle and buck buck. Hehehe